Welcome to 38206 Meadow Rue in the Meadows at Oak Grove Subdivision, conveniently located off Highway 42 in Prairieville, Louisiana. Walking through the front door of this over 2,100 square foot home, you'll notice the beautiful wood flooring, tall ceilings and crown moldings. Also, this open floor plan lets in lots of natural light. The kitchen provides a large center island with 3 cm slab granite countertops, and the stainless steel appliances are all made by Thor. You'll be amazed by the amount of custom cabinetry and storage space you have in this kitchen, and all the other gourmet touches that any home chef would enjoy. This home also has a built-in wine cooler and wet bar in the dining area. The oversized master suite offers crown moldings, wood flooring, recessed lighting and mounted ceiling fan, which is all complemented with the neutral color paint palette. This room also lets in lots of natural light. The ensuite master bathroom offers double vanities, slab granite countertops, an oversized soaking tub, and a beautiful custom shower with a shower rain head and a frameless glass door. You'll be impressed by the size of the master closet, which has plenty of room for storage, including all your winter and summer clothing. All the other rooms in this home are painted in a neutral color palette and come with mounted ceiling fans, crown moldings and let in lots of natural light. Also have oversized closets for all your storage needs. You'll be amazed by the huge laundry area with its slab granite countertop for folding clothing, and also plenty of cabinet space for all your storage. The additional bathrooms in this home are beautiful in design, with modern touches, and have a fully tiled shower and tub combination. If you enjoy the outdoors, you'll love sitting under the ceiling fans of your covered patio area, which is also pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen, and is also fitted with automatic dusk-to-dawn outdoor lighting accents and has lush landscaping. 38206 Meadow Rue in Prairieville, Louisiana is ready for your private showing today.